So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share your Shopify products link. So the first thing you want to do is go from the left part of your Shopify admin page to products. From here you will see a couple of things like collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, and gift cards. So through the collection page you can see some of the products you've added. If there's none, you can just go to products and create a random product on there. So just put in stuff and you can add stuff to it like pricing, inventory, shipping, variants, search engine listing, and stuff like that. If you just click on save, you can see an unsaved product. You added your first product. You can go to collections. From here you can find your product right here. And you can see here it says stuff. If you were to check it off, you can see here the option like bulk edit, update quantities, create transfer, create purchase order, and you can go ahead and click on the export button, and from there you can send this link to someone you would like to see it. If it's appearing on here, you can also create a view through there as well, so you can add it just by clicking on here and then sending it to someone. And that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.